Good morning, everybody. I'm once again out here in the park. Where's Coconut? With Coconut. And I wanted to talk about two things. One is the Fed rate cut. The second is how our investments have performed since we made the investment 4 weeks ago, so a month today, into the S&P 500 and into Bitcoin. So firstly, the rate cut and what impact does that have on the stock market. So a lot of the time, obviously the Fed announced a rate cut of 25 basis points. Now, a lot of the time this has already been factored into the stock market because it was predicted as to what that Fed rate cut would be. And that being said, on the day, there was some slight volatility in the stock, but not much. Now, the important point is how our investments have performed over the last 4 weeks. And it's done exceptionally well, where the S&P, Bitcoin has gone up by 2.99% from the day that we invested, and the S&P 500 has gone up by 3.67, just under 4%, which is insane. A lot of the people watching this will be earning less than that over the course of the entire year on their investments. Now, that is what's been made in the course of 4 weeks. Now, don't get overly excited to think that you can just multiply that by 12 and that's going to be your annual return, because there are fluctuations and it has been a good month. But it just is rather to reinforce the point of the kind of impact you can get of investing in the stock market and that amount compounding over time versus just sitting in your bank account. So yes, it's been a great 4 weeks in terms of the investments we've made, and we'll share screenshots of the data below. But yeah, it's just a wake-up call to everyone that's keeping their money sat in savings and the money that you would have made the last 4 weeks.